Welcome back to my channel. I actually changed my mind. I chose to do my second update right now, and I'm going to do the third update today too. So here we go. So I got this big old bulldozer out, and these two dump trucks are in a different spot. Like in the first one, they're like sitting right next to each other, like they were best friends. So yeah, and so today, we're gonna start this update, and let's hop into the video. Wait, we already started. And our next stop is right there. Here we go. So we're back here, and there is the 3 trucks, and kind of pretty cool. And it's pretty cool that you can see them like from right here. So I'm pretending that they're doing the land clearing thing. Yeah. So our last stop is on my bed. Let's get up here. Okay, so we're on my bed. And there is those dump trucks. And there's those 2 dump trucks and a bulldozer. Okay, guys, and I hate fireworks. It's kind of cool. Yeah, so yeah. So we're just gonna wrap this up for today. We'll do the 3rd update and the 4th update tomorrow. Bye.